Hello and welcome to Ryan's Recipes. Now, I'm a great believer that alcohol should be involved in cooking. As we all know, red wine goes very well with minced beef. Fact. So, what goes with chicken? How about a beer? So today, drunk chicken.
So naturally for this we have chicken and beer.
So this today is going to be quite a straightforward dish. We have chicken, and what we're going to do is stand it up. Is we're going to have a drink with it. Well, I won't. I'm off the booze at the moment. So, what a shame. Mr. Chicken's going to have mine for me. Fill the chicken up with beer. Fill the chicken up with beer. Da 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 da, chicken up with beer. So you actually seen this? I've actually seen online some people have gone to the stage of putting a chicken over a can of Foster's. I'm just going to fill the chicken with beer. Give it a shake. It's like when you fill the diesel tank on your car. You just got to rock it just to get all the air bubbles out. God, it's doing well. None dripping out the bottom yet. This chicken has had nearly an entire bottle. That is one bottle down. Move that up a touch. That's better. So, oh no. So if I put the chicken down, he kind of just flops all his drink. What if I cook him stood up? I'm gonna have a quick think on this one. Okay, so I've come up with a solution. I've got a sushi roll mat. And look, you can just slide all the little pins out. So I've given it a wash. I'm gonna make it some stabilizers. So let's see how well this goes, because should be able to just stab straight through it. Let's have a look. It's a bit heavier than it was to start with. So if oh, it's got some bone in the way, isn't it? How do I stab it? There we go. Ah, it's a bit high. Let's go lower. So basically, at the moment, this cooking show has turned into me stabbing a drunk chicken. Let's have another leg. God, they built this sushi roll thing quite well. No, don't. Oh, he's getting a bit drunk. He's gonna fall over in a minute. Let's wedge him. There we go. It's like trying to pop up that drunk friend at the end of the night. It just seems like that. But this one's a chicken. There's a leg. Oh, we've got this sussed. Look at that. You just stab little stabilizer legs in it. Put a couple more in for good measure, so he doesn't get drunk and flop his beer everywhere in the oven, because that won't go down well. Stop there. I think he's going to fall backwards more than anything. It makes sense to put a leg in that way. Let's put a leg in that way. So he's got a leg there. Where else can we put one in? See, let's take the knife out. The knife's not going to go in. So he wants... Do you want one that way? Let's try putting one in that way. He's got to get it under his arm. There we go. There's a leg there. He wants one coming out the back as well. This looks like... Do you ever see the game Kaplunk when you were growing up? It looks a bit like that, but poultry. Poultry Kaplunk. No, don't want to go there. God, I just need a bit more. Well, lift your arm up. That's it. See, he's quite a responsive drunk. Listens to you. I think he's going to be fine like that. So let's just top his little beer tank up. Just feed him a bit more. Do you know what he needs? Oh, he's full. He's had too much beer. Let's just get him a quick chaser. Okay, so I've just gone and got the chicken a shot of Jaeger. Let's give him a quick shot. Got to have a quick chaser after a couple of beers. Give him a quick dousing around the outside and beer. There, just to wash him off. And now I'm going to put him in the oven. Oh, he's quite stable. See if it will sober him up a bit.
And there is Mr. Chicken. So I'm going to leave him in there for about an hour and a half and see how he looks. Okay, so quick update. That is the chicken 45 minutes in. Give another 20 minutes, see how it's looking. And there we have it. That there is the drunken chicken. Now that has had, what are we on? So that was 2 beers, a shot of Jaeger, and a bit of support standing up. So let's have a quick look, see what it's like.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is manoeuvre it onto a plate. So let's just quickly remove some of its little legs that I've added in there. It really is like playing Kaplunk now. Pull out all its supports. Yeah, that's very loose now. One more left, where is it? Gives me a chance to get it out of its bed of fat as well. So, big knife and a fork should do the job. Tilt it up. See if we've got any. There's no beer left in it. Wow. So, there we go. So, let's just have a quick taster. See what that's like. Wow. That is staggeringly good. So there you have it. That was a drunken chicken. So we've seen today that a chicken can drink 2 beers, a shot of Jaeger, and can sober up in 2 hours in the oven. So I'm going to quickly whip my chips out and I'm going to tuck in, so I'll see you next time. Quickly, one thing I have just realised is I haven't got any gravy. So let's have a quick hack. So, bit of stock. People like to sieve it out and other stuff, but meh. We're gonna rock and roll like that. Bit fatty, bit of madras powder. Just give it an edge. Dash of corn flour. Only a little dash. It's amazing how much this dries stuff up. Quickly. And beat all that together quickly. Crisis averted. See you next time.